1 2 3 4 5 plus 2 plus 1 for turn. Chain 2 is first alpha double crochet, so yarn over 1 2 3 in the third chain from the hook, inside your hook, drop the yarn, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and this is alpha double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next chain, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull 3 2, like that. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn, yarn over, and pull 3 loops. Again, insert the hook, drop the yarn, yarn over, pull 3 2. Again, insert hook, yarn over, pull 3 2. The last one, put it through. You have a 3 loop on your hook and pass all 3 loops. Now we have to turn chain 2, 1 and 2. Now I'm usually, when I do alpha double crochet, I don't like to go in the second chain from here, because otherwise it's gonna be a gap. So I'll show you what I mean. See, you have a hole here. So when I do alpha double crochet, the chain 2 I just use it for turn. So yarn over, I'm working the first one, and then I'll do the alpha double crochet. See, in this way you don't have any gaps here. So again, yarn over, put the yarn over, you have a 3 loop on the hook and close together. Again, you have a 3 loop on your hook, close together. Again, you have a 3 and close together. Again, you have a 3 and close together. And then we add the last one, which is this one. Yarn over, and then you have it. And this is the alpha double crochet.